Hey everybody, it's Allison and Prep Dish founder. So today I just have an update video for you. So for the past year, I have been shooting weekly videos for the Prep Dish YouTube channel. We started back the beginning of August 2019. We're now towards the end of August 2020. So for over 52 weeks, we've done a weekly Prep Dish video for you. And the topics have varied, everything from recipes to motherhood to chopping videos, a lot of meal planning and meal prep topics as well. And so in addition to that, I am currently 33 weeks pregnant and planning out a bit of a maternity leave. And in doing so, have decided to pause this channel. The tentative plan is to put it on pause for at least the remainder of 2020, which means the plan right now is to come back January of 2021. I didn't want to just put up a last video and not let you know that that was the plan, especially because we have been very regular with the weekly videos for the past year. So that's the update I have. But the main reason behind this video is I would love to get some feedback from all of you. So whether you've watched a lot of the videos or just a few, I want to hear from you. What videos, one, have you enjoyed in the past? And two, would you like to see moving forward? So if you go to our channel, it's just youtube.com/prepdish. We'll have the link in the description. You can see we've divided all the videos into categories. So we have everything from meal prep and meal planning, a lot of recipe videos, some different chopping things like how to chop onions and fruits and fresh herbs. We also have some motherhood videos. So I have currently a 19-month-old son and have another son on the way. So that's another topic. I've talked about baby-led weaning and maybe some on kind of entrepreneurship. So those are some of the topics, a lot on organization as well, especially kitchen organization. But yeah, just if you have any thoughts on ones that have been your favorite, maybe some that you don't want to see that aren't relevant to you, I would just love to see those in the comments of this video. So that's my main reason behind posting this. One, it's to let you know where I'm going, and two, it's to get that feedback because I am hoping in 2021 to come back with more content, but would love to hear from all of you on what you want to see. So between now and when I see you again next year, I would just encourage you go back into those archives if there's any videos or topics that specifically interest you. In the description below this video, I will link some of my personal favorite videos. My team will pick out some of their favorites, so we'll put some of those in the description. We'll also at the end link to videos here that you can see as well. And again, just would so appreciate your feedback, and thank you if you've been watching these videos over the past year. Thank you for joining me. I would, as always, encourage you to go ahead, subscribe to our channel. Even though we are taking a break, I do plan to be back, so I would appreciate it if you subscribe. And just thank you so much for being with me and for your feedback, and hopefully I will see you again in 2021. Oh, and because I know some of you will ask, this will be the last one for a while, but here's that beautiful baby bump, 33 weeks right there.